in the southwestern part of Port-au-Prince yesterday about this time of day. And with the devastated communication systems, we have no idea how invidious and how macabre this tragedy actually will be. China, obviously an earthquake in Iran in the last couple of years. There's a terrible hurricane in Haiti at the end of August of 2008, only 18 months ago. And it's sometimes just doesn't spiritually connect with me that the most impoverished areas always seem to get these natural disasters. I've just never understood that. But we, who are kin to them, either physically or in spirit, have to do everything we possibly can to aid our federal government and to provide all the services possible. And this issue was a sore spot with me, so some members of my administration last year, we were trying to send aids after the hurricane. They didn't get there in a timely fashion.
Yeah.
I should say former members of my administration, because that was my reaction to that. So I know we're not going to have a problem this time. And, but I just wanted to stop by and thank all of you for abruptly changing your schedules to come here to join Local 1199 SEIU in this effort. You will always seem to show up in the right place at the right time, even if there's a mammoth conflict. So just wanted to thank all of you and tell you that from the state, we will be putting all our resources from our state emergency management office, the National Guard if necessary. And we think the first thing we've got to do is to set up communications on the island again. So thank you all for your service and your volunteerism, and we will move on. We're going to pray for a solution that is better than the one we think we're going to get, and we're going to work real hard whichever way the outcome is. So thank you very much.